Mark Andrew Houston, born July 31, 1989, is an American recording artist, multimedia artist and musician, known for his expressive and conceptual work. He operates under the banner of the computing tabulating recording company, Center, which he uses as a platform to document pivotal moments and convey experiences through art and sound. His style blends vivid verbal storytelling with sonic experimentation, aiming to reveal deeper truths and challenge perceptions. Mark Andrew Houston was born in Livingston, New Jersey. Adopted at a young age, he was moved from North Jersey to South Jersey. There Mark was raised by his mother Donna Houston in a responsible home. He would spend his summers in the Bronx, New York with his grandfather Ernest Houston, grandmother Audrey Houston and uncle Ernest Houston Jr. He also attended a Seventh-day Adventist church Mount Olivet in Camden, New Jersey. He attended public school and private school to further his educational structure. In high school, a classmate of his gave him the software with 2 packs. This was the beginning of his musical emphasis. Houston is still working his way into the industry. Before he started producing and writing records, he worked several full-time and part-time jobs to make ends meet. He was a full-time stocker for a warehouse distribution center. There he was a forklift operator. He also had a full-time employment doing landscaping. It was hard to give the listener the quality and quantity of music while back and forth from a job that had nothing to do with his love and passion for music. So he would work part-time on his design and quality to give the listener an extraordinary experience while manifesting, consuming, and learning. 2012 was a successful year for Houston, releasing 3 albums: ABC, Aspiration, Birthday and Conviction. Follow Your Aspirations was dropped in June of 12. There were several hit songs on this album featuring artists such as Beans, Lil Pone, and Mime Tojour. For Mark's birthday, he decided to release the album Birthday that year. Although Birthday did not do that well as Follow Your Aspiration, it was still considered to have an impact on his loyal listeners. My Conviction was released October of 2012. This album is one of the most influential albums released in October of 2012. This album contains a powerful rap track that dives deep into themes of authenticity, perseverance, and self-belief. The lyrics emphasize staying true to oneself, pushing through pain, and rejecting imitation. Several mixtapes were dropped between 2012 to 2014. These mixtapes were based on the reality of life that was unfolding and nurturing the developmental stages and growth of society. Rose Gold was dropped at the end of the year. This mixtape was a switch up for him in style, producing a hype radio feel. Rose Gold was followed by Dreams Change Reality. There are several other mixtapes dropped, including Prize, Cease to Amaze, Bread and Jaspers and Rubies. The Cost mixtape was released. This is a unique mixtape that shows elevated experience in production, sound quality and lyricism. The mixtape Back Mental Inflection was also released. This mixtape was said to have either infuriated or enlightened the audience. 2024-2025. During this period in time, Mark had linked up with local artists to put out musical recordings from a different point of view. Sell Ye Men to End was part of this production. It featured artists such as DeSwag, Kyleel, Dame, Q, and City. The album showcases a range of moods and styles, with titles like Tag, Get Out My Way, Armageddon, Celestial Cemetery, Drive, Jekyll, Dead Presidentes, Late Due, New Shit. He also released the Production X-Files mixtape. The mixtape blends storytelling and lyrical depth, reflecting themes of truth, identity, and transformation. It also features well-known artists such as Kyleel, DeSwag, and Q. He produced a body of work for Devon Gaham's mixtape called Time. Devon Gorham, Time mixtape, is a collaborative hip-hop project featuring artists like Kyleel and Houston. The mixtape blends introspective lyrics with experimental beats, showcasing a range of styles and voices from the group involved. They also released What's the Name of That mixtape. This mixtape was produced by Mark collaborating with artists DeSwag and Kyleel. What's the Name of That mixtape is a self-referential work that plays with identity and recognition.